So, all right, so we are going to move on to one of our very good friends. She is surgical hypopara since 2006. She has been a member of the association since 2015. She joined the board with us in 2019. And we also want to, gosh, I'm getting choked up talking about her. Want to thank her for her service to our country. So Loretta Gulley, we are thrilled to have you share some inspiration with us. So go ahead.
Patty. Thank you all for spending the weekend with us. Over the last few days, we probably have overwhelmed you with a lot of information from advocacy, advocating for yourself, having others advocate for you, potential to new therapies, and new information on hypopara, period. And more key, we hope we found a way to give not only us hope, but to give you some hope in all that we're going through. Like you, I am a member of the hypopara community, and I share a similar story as many of you who are surgical. Like you, my world changed 17 years ago when I was diagnosed with thyroid cancer and had my parathyroids removed accidentally doing surgery. After all my anger, all my denial, feeling sorry for myself, trying to understand why did this happen to me, finding doctors, finding help, I found that if I start fighting for myself, I could find hope. I found out if I found other people that understood my condition, I could find hope. I found that even now, as a board member and having hypopara for 17 years, I'm still learning about hypoparathyroidism. I'm still learning about all the different clinical trials that are now becoming available and that are opening up to people who may be older, people may be challenged, weight challenged, people who may not be surgical. I'm finding hope. I'm finding hope that I can go to the Hypopara website. I'm finding hope that I can go to the Hypopara Lodge website. I'm finding hope that I can go to Crazy Hypopara website. I'm finding hope that I can go to the Thyroid Hypopara site, to the Forteo website, Facebook page, Twitter page, and find hope. I'm finding hope in all of these different sites. And I share these with you because we all may have a different mission in how we approach hypoparathyroidism and how we approach finding methods to help us and how we approach finding medications that really work for us is because we all find hope through different ways and different methods. I even found hope yesterday when I went on the Hypopara Lodge website and listened to a discussion between veterans. I found some things that happen in the veteran community that are unique to us. I find hope in all of these different sites because we as a diverse community, we have children that are hypopara. We have senior citizens who are hypopara. We have men that are hypopara. We have surgical hypopara. We have genetics hypopara. We have pseudo hypopara, and we even have pseudo hypopara. We're all diverse communities, but we're all fighting for the same goal: to be effectively treated with our condition. I find hope that as a people, we'll one day be able to live fully again. Sometimes I read the pages and I've especially today, I think I read 3 people were in the hospital today and they want to know, will they be able to hear the stories, the information that was put out? Yes, they will. Please share that with them. We will find a way to ensure they get that information. Hope is finding that in the community. I'm learning that we as a community, as long as there are 2 or more of us that can contact each other, we have hope. I'm finding hope has become my village. I'm finding, even in my own community, I met a woman a few years ago with hypopara. And then just in the last couple of weeks, I met another woman on Facebook that lives right in my own town. I hope one of the things that we do this year is be able to reach out regionally to everyone so that you can meet that one or two other persons that understand what you go through on those days when you say, my bones hurt. I can't think. As you seen yesterday, I literally couldn't remember the name of someone that I've been working with for the last 3 years. We have those days, but I find hope in the medicines that Castelletics, Ascendus, all of these different companies are working for us. I find hope in listening to the people who are angry that say, well, why did this happen? Why did this happen? Because through your anger, you're making things happen. I find hope in all of that. And in conclusion, I find hope that you've allowed us to come into your homes this weekend. I find hope that maybe in the next couple of years, we'll be able to meet again in person. I find hope, and I thank you. And I thank the Hypoparathyroid Association for becoming part of my family over the last few years. Thank you. And thank you for spending your weekend with us.
Thank you.
Thank you, Loretta.
Thank you, Loretta. And thank you, everybody, for being part of the weekend. We love you. We're hopeful. And thank you. Have a great day.